Hi friends and welcome back. So today, by the way, I just filmed this makeup tutorial for this look. I will post it either before or after this video. Today I would like to talk about AliExpress, which I know it's a very controversial topic. I don't mind shopping on AliExpress, and today I would like to share with you some of my favorite buys there, what I recommend and what I bought recently. So kind of like a haul and recommendation to anyone. So one thing that I buy all the time on AliExpress and that I recommend again to all my friends is actually false lashes, and especially the individual false lashes. And I do have a couple of favorite designs that I will list. So I will list everything in the description box, so definitely check that out. But I absolutely adore these. They do have, you can find different designs, different shapes, different sizes. You can have them a bit more curled or a bit more kind of just facing up, and that's it, without a curl. It depends what kind of eyelashes you want to have, what kind of effect you are looking for to achieve. Now, in terms of the sizing, I would recommend you the sizes 9, 10, 11 and 12. 13, 14, it's more for people that have really big eyes or they have really long lashes naturally. Otherwise it will kind of look a bit like too much, and I love individual false lashes because they kind of add that volume and length to your natural lashes without them being too in your face, without looking as a strip eyelash. If you want that effect, go for the bigger size. I prefer 9, 10, 11 and 12. 12 for the outer corners and 9 in the beginning of the eye. If you want just a bit of volume in the center, you can add some 10s. It will look really nice and natural. So yeah, that's kind of my recommendation. Definitely love these and use this all the time. I use this today in today's tutorial as well. Now moving on to another controversial topic that really kind of ties to AliExpress, that is designer bag dupes. I do own designer bags and I have designer bag dupes. I usually don't mind a dupe if the original model has no logo, just a really nice shape design and nothing extra. But I would say that on AliExpress you can find really good dupes and kind of similar shapes to the Bottega Veneta bags, which I adore, but I think they're just too expensive for kind of the design, for the name, the brand name itself, because they don't contain any kind of logo, any kind of really flashy names or anything like this. They're just simple designs. I don't mind that. I don't mind wearing a dupe. And I found this dupe, which honestly I love the original design and I would love to have it, but yeah, too expensive. Maybe I will have it in the future, but for now I will enjoy the dupe. And it's this bag. So they do have, Bottega has the suede leather with a chain, this kind of super plush, how to call it, cassette. I absolutely love this, and honestly this dupe is pretty good. From close, if you are super close to the bag, you can see that it's not suede, it's not leather, it's kind of like a material, which I don't mind. I think it still looks pretty damn good. The chain is heavy, it's actually metal. The only thing, I'm 5'7", this is a bit too short on me when I wear it crossbody. So I wear it crossbody, but I wish it was a bit longer because it just sits too high. Sometimes I like that look, sometimes I don't, but I wish this was just a little bit longer. And it was, I think $35, something like this. It looks really good inside, you can see, and it's very plush. I've seen some other dupes for Bottega bags on AliExpress. They're not looking as puffy. This one does. It's actually a really nice dupe, as I said. So I definitely recommend this if you are okay with wearing dupes. If you like this design, why not? And then the next dupe that I have, another bag and another Bottega Veneta dupe. It's this one. So Bottega has this kind of tote bag made of kind of like a linen and cotton combination material, which is very, very durable, kind of like a canvas almost. It has a really nice interior. You also have like a little pouch inside, which is kind of a nice touch. So it's very roomy. It's just like that. That's canvas material and some pieces of kind of leather, faux leather in here. So super nice tote bag. If they will do like white handles in the future, this will also be a really nice beach bag. Why not? So yeah, I'm loving this. I think I will definitely enjoy wearing it. So yeah, it's very roomy, quite big, and the material, it's super nice and sturdy. You can see this kind of canvas linen-y material, really well made. It was around $50, I believe, a bit more expensive, but I think it's worth it. It's definitely really nice quality. Next thing that I always get on AliExpress is my bag insert. So I have one for my small classic flap, and I'm waiting for some more. I also have for the medium flap. It's actually perfect. It fits perfectly. It was like $10, and I've seen lots of videos, like kind of designer bag reviews and inserts. They cost around $200–300 for the insert. So thank you very much, but I will take a $10 one because it's really nice quality. Looks really nice. You can also choose the of course the shape for different bags, the colors, and what else. I think some of them have like a zipper, so you can choose like what compartments do you want to have, but it looks really nice. It's made of this kind of plush, again, material, so it's just like plain like this. So yeah, I'm loving this, and it fits perfectly. So I got the size for my small classic flap. It fits perfectly in here. So basically I use bag inserts so that, of course, I don't like damage, don't spill anything inside the bag, so the interior is kind of saved, and also it keeps the shape of the bag, because I do have vintage bags and they need some help in this department. Next thing I would like to mention is again another controversial item, because some people like, you know, beauty stuff from AliExpress, some people don't like it. I guess I don't mind it if it comes from a more legit brand. So I found these eyeshadows, and these are kind of like a cream to powder format eyeshadows, and I initially bought only one and I was so in love with it, so I had to get some more, and I'm talking about these ones. And I bought initially this color. This is my absolute favorite color from the ones that I got. It's so unique, it's so interesting. It's like a blue with a bit of purple and a bit of green duochrome to it. They don't have a lot of color payoff, but they do have lots of like glitter particles in them, and they look so stunning on the eye and so stunning just in general. So yeah, absolutely adore these, and I had no like irritation or anything like this from them. And these are eyeshadow LED. Yeah, so I don't know exactly what this is all about, but yeah, I found these, love them, will recommend them. I haven't had any kind of like allergies or reactions from using these, so for me so far these are safe. And now the last thing, it's some nail stuff. So I all the time buy nail stuff from AliExpress because it's just cheaper. It's the same stuff you can get in like a nail shop, but just cheaper. And yeah, you kind of wait a bit more, but it's kind of fine anyway. So first of all, I love to buy different kinds of gems, not just for my nails, but also, you know, if I'm sometimes getting really creative with my eye looks, I would wear this as well, maybe when I'm a bit more creative. So I have these ones, which I absolutely adore, so shiny, little hearts. Then I have also these ones. So again, different kind of like rhinestones. And these ones, I have multiple colors of these ones actually, and I use them in some of my nail tutorials here that I posted recently. Again, so shiny and nice. And then I also have these two, which again I absolutely adore. So you can see like little hearts, of course some glitters, because yeah, you can find some really cool ones in there. I again love these, I love the shades. So that's it, these are my recommendations. Let me know, what do you like to buy from AliExpress, if you like AliExpress or not. So I will see you in my next video. I will list everything in the description box. Take care, bye.